everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Very rare car, guys. Factory two-tone Jamaica blue metallic with the painted Spinnaker white top. That is original for this car. It's the first time I've actually ever owned a Roadrunner like this. Very cool car, original Texas car. It is a real Roadrunner. We got the car out of Kentucky. The gentleman's owned it for quite a long time. It's actually a car that's got a ton of documentation with it. Original broadcast sheet, window sticker, the receipts for the restoration are in there. The car was originally restored in the 90s and then just extremely well maintained, guys. Obviously there's been work beyond the 90s on it. It's got updated Wilwood brakes and stuff like that, but the actual original restoration on this car was done in the 90s. Killer car, rock solid body. Love the two-tone, and then it's got the two-tone B7 blue vinyl interior in it. Fun car to drive, man. It's also got the 15-inch Cragar SS's all the way around it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Nice car, man. There's some things you can kind of pick at. Now, as I walk around, I'll show you that stuff. Sorry, a little wax in there. There's some touch-up marks. There's a little ding there. Again, couple little touch-up marks as you walk around the car. Little stone pecks. But really nice car, man. Runs out good. Nice little cam to it. Factory air car. They've upgraded. It's got the newer compressor. Love this two-tone, man. This painted white top I think is so cool. Man, I got some Mopars right now. I love it, man. I'd fill this building with Mopars if I could. I love the pop-out windows. This is a pretty car, man. I love the color combination. I believe it has all the original glass still in it. I wish we had some sunshine. This B7 blue really pops, but we're just in that, there's left some wax on this thing. Original bezels there, they're in really nice shape. Touch up on it. Yeah, same thing, you can kind of pick at it a little bit. And you can do that to all of them. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, killer set of Cragar SS's all the way around it. It's got the correct chrome tips. Car's got great sound. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. And it, like I say, a ton of documentation with it. Pretty car. They've upgraded it to Wilwood front disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. No VIN number on the block, so it's actually got a warranty block in it, guys. It's got a Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel on it, stock intake and exhaust manifold. They've definitely upgraded the cam, upgraded the ignition. It's got a power steering, power front disc brakes, and it is a factory air car, but they've upgraded that compressor. Aluminum radiator in it. 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. Good looking car. There's your original fender tag. Again, broadcast sheet comes with the car. Window sticker. That's a pretty car right there. Look how nice that A-pillar chrome is right there. I mean, just beautiful. Stock mirror. Those look like original door handles, and they are very nice. It's got these on both doors. It look like reflectors, maybe when you got your door open, you know, just in case you're on the side of the road or something. I have no idea. I left them on there. They're on both sides. You can see how nice and clean the door skins are. Interior's in great shape. It's got the two-tone B7 blue. New sill plates. They've definitely redone all this interior. Factory bench seat. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Stock steering wheel. Obviously done a little cracking. It's got the factory dash. Showing 32,000. I'm sure that's 132. Unfortunately, we do not know the miles on the resto. Air blows cold. It's got the stock AM radio. One thing that I will tell you, I am not a fan. Everybody who knows me, I'm not a fan of that. It's got a Hurst Pro-Matic shifter in it, and it works great. I am a fan of the stock shifters. I have ordered, matter of fact, it's on the way. It's $380. All the original linkage, the shifter, all that stuff. So if somebody wants to take it back to original, it'll actually if you want to take it back to original with a column shift, it's all going to go with the car. I bought it from a company. They refurbish it. They did a beautiful job with it. Factory jack with spares in here. You can see it's all body color in the trunk like it should be. Window sticker. Again, a lot of your original manuals, you know, any receipts, stuff like that. Your broadcast sheet is right here. Tons of receipts, manuals, all kinds of stuff that go with the car. Even the trunk light works on the car. Car's clean underneath. Oh, 8 3/4, 323 stock rear end in it. Again, it's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. You can see the door seams. This is just a nice car, man. If you're looking for a nice road runner, I think you're gonna love this car. Seats are all repadded, refoamed. Look how nice the dash and the dash pad are. Gauges are nice and clean. Wait till he fires this thing up. It's got great sound. Oh, look how nice these are, man. Air works, you can see he's got the air on, air blows cold. Nice little cam to it. Car's got great sound. That's a cool car right there, man. Factory gauges all work. Everything opens and closes real nice. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Yep, backup lights work, so they got it all hooked up on that shifter. long too, guys. This thing will get it. It runs.
I didn't check the radio. Does it work? No. Blower motor does work.
The doors are open and closed, nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. Yeah, it's getting that time. It's getting cold out. Probably should have a jacket on right now.
That's a good looking car.